I'm Sheraz with Rebel Realty. Welcome to my newest listing, 74 Angela Crescent in St. David's, one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Niagara-on-the-Lake. This nicely upgraded 3-bed, 3-bath raised bungalow offers around 1,400 square foot on the main floor, and with the finished basement, you get more than 2,000 square foot of finished living space. And walkout basement comes with rough-in for a second kitchen and a laundry, making it perfect for an independent in-law suite. What makes St. David's so special? Because even with the backdrop of rolling hills, vineyards, and lush green landscapes, it's only 10 minutes away from Niagara Falls city center. So if you're looking for that perfect blend of city and country life, this is it. And if you're still wondering why houses in this neighborhood don't last too long in the market, well, then I just gotta show you this.